Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And before we will start, let me quickly go and turn on the grid lines. And in a second I'll show you why. I hope that you can see them. I've applied that because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So to reset the settings, we have to tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner and then tap on settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find restore defaults and tap on restore. Now we just automatically got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully restored all the defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.